Before using the device for the first time, be sure to read the user manual carefully. Charge the device until its battery is fully charged and its LED indicator light is steady green. Attach the cleansing brush to the device by pushing it into its holder. Remove all makeup from your face. Wet your face and apply a generous amount of your cleansing soap. Turn the device on. Move the brush in small circular motions all over your face. Avoid treating too close to the eyes. After 3 minutes, the device will alter its vibrations to indicate end of recommended treatment time. Turn the device off. Rinse your face with lukewarm water. Disconnect the brush from the device by gently pulling on it. Rinse the brush under running water and dry with a cloth. Clean the device with a moist cloth, towel, or wet wipe, or by rinsing it under running water. Apply the Geneo Personal cream provided in the facial treatment kit. Before performing the oxygenation treatment for the first time, it is recommended to perform a skin sensitivity test to check for any skin reaction to the skincare products. Cleanse your face with soap and water. You can use the cleansing brush. Remove the capsule from its wrapping. Using your thumb, push the capsule gently into the holder. Open the Geneo Personal Primer Gel sachet and apply a sufficient amount to cover your entire face. Turn the device on. Move the capsule in small circular motions all over your face. Ensure that the capsule is in continuous contact with the skin and gel. Microbubbles will appear as a result of the interaction between the capsule and the gel. These are CO2 bubbles, which stimulate oxygenation from within your skin. During the treatment, the capsule will become slightly abrasive, creating a gentle exfoliation effect. Continue the treatment for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the device will alter its vibrations to indicate end of recommended treatment time. Note: the capsule is for single use only. Turn the device off. Press the eject button to remove the capsule. Use a tissue to clean off any remaining gel from your face. Then, wash your face with lukewarm water. Apply the Geneo Personal cream to your face to nourish your skin. Clean the capsule's holder thoroughly. The device is waterproof and can be rinsed under running water.